Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Raja Babu and MS Scholar in the Department of Electrical Engineering. So in this video, I want to share an incident which happened with me some days ago. So it is related to one of the exam which happened at IIT Madras. So in one of the exam, a very basic Python question has been asked. It is very basic. If you are familiar with Python, you can easily answer that question. But actually that question is not to check your Python basics, but actually that question aims to check how attentive you are, how carefully you read a question. So surprisingly 70% of the students who appeared for that exam make it wrong. Yeah, it is very basic question. So let's see what was that question, and then in the end I will tell you what you can learn from this question and how to attempt the question so that you will not make it wrong whenever you face such question in the future. So let's see. So welcome back. So here is our question. So in the question it has been asked to pick the most appropriate option from below for the following program. So this code snippet has been given in the question and it has been asked to predict the length of this set. So one set has been given and some elements are being added to this set, and then we have to predict the length of this set. So the question is very simple, straightforward and very basic. And if you are familiar with Python, you can easily answer this question. And if you know about the set properties, you will probably guess the right answer. But surprisingly, 70% of students make it wrong. So what was wrong with this question? Why 70% of the student make it wrong? So actually this question tests your attentiveness and the carefulness. So I'm giving you 10 seconds to guess the right output. And then after 10 seconds, I will tell you the right output and you can see how attentive you are. So your time starts now.
I've been looking for.
So yeah, welcome back. So if you are able to guess the right output, then it is well and good. But you are not able to make it right, so there is no need to worry. I am telling you what is the wrong with this question and why only 30% of students are making are giving the right answer. So let's see. So here we have four options: 0, 2, none of this, and 3. So uh, if you do not know about any set, you will probably say 3 because there are 3 elements in the set 1, 2, 1. So if you do not know anything about the set, if you are beginner in the programming, you will say 3. And if you know about the set properties that duplicate items do not repeat in the set, only unique elements are available in the set, then you will say 2 because there are 2 ones. Then in the final set, there will be only one element. So the final set there will be 2 elements, 1 and 2. So then you will say the length of the set will be 2. But surprisingly, none of this option is correct. Even the 0 is not correct. 0 is obviously not correct because there is at least one element. But the right answer is none of these. Yeah, you heard it right. The right option is none of this. So how the right answer can be none of this? There are 3 elements or the 2 elements appearing in the set. So why? So this is the trick in the question because actually it is not even a set. It is a dictionary. If you see the initialization of this set, my set, you will see that two there is empty curly brace, and this is not the perfect way to initialize a set. This is a dictionary, and you cannot add elements in the dictionary like this. So if you run this program, it will give the error. So the right option should be none of these. It is very simple question, but still 70% students make it wrong because they think that this is actually a set. Because if you do not read the question properly and carefully with more attention, you will probably say 2 or 3. So this is the problem of attempting any question, many students do not read the whole question, and without reading the whole question, without reading the main theme of the question, they try to answer the question. So that's why many students make any question wrong in the competitive exam. So always learn from your mistake. So if you do a lot of practice, you will uh, learn how to detect such type of question. So I also make mistake, but I usually try to learn from my own mistake so that I will not make it again. So this is very basic question. So this is actually a dictionary. So if instead of this, I will make it as set. So this is the perfect way to initialize a empty set. So let us run this. Then it is printing 2. Because if this is set, it will print 2 because only unique elements will be available in the set, and this there are 2 elements, 1 and 2. So if you are able to learn something from this program, this question, then please do like, and if you want, you can subscribe as well. So this question I want to present because this question displays how attentive and how careful you are while attempting a question. So thank you for watching this video. I will come again with another topic with another thing. For then, goodbye, take care, happy learning.
There's too much that's going on, I don't know what to do. Paralyzed by options in this world, can't pick and choose, yeah.